Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to do a video about HaruInvest. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification and leave a thumbs up to this video. And before we get started, I'd like to challenge you to the world largest Keto challenge. What is Keto? Basically, it's the health diet supplementary drinks which can help you improve in your lifestyle and of course in many factors. It is not claimed by any medical officer out there, but this is a product that people has used it and it's proven. And if you are interested, you can just click on the link down below, and from there just watch the short introduction of what is keto all about and what can it do for you. And let's talk about Haru. So basically on HaruInvest, so if you are new on Haru, like on this channel, and you do not know what is HaruInvest or Haru Bank, and after that you are searching for a video to do your own due diligence. So therefore this is the interface of HaruInvest. So basically what is HaruInvest? Basically they are a fund management, I would say a crypto fund management. So basically, how do you earn money from it? Basically they take your funds, whatever you deposit with them, they are going to, like, they have three options over here, which is the Haru Earn. Basically this is a flexible plan. You can deposit funds and withdraw it anytime you want it. And after that, the HaruEarnPlus, which requires you to lock up your cryptocurrency, and from there you can choose the amount of days that you want to lock up, and of course the interest varies from depending on how long you want to lock up your funds. So basically we can look over here. So the minimum days to lock up is 15 days. So over here I can show you for 15 days of lockup you will get around 8.3% per annum. This rate over here is APY, so per annum annual percentage yield. So basically it's telling you that 1 year it is going to be 8.3%. And how do you want to calculate for 15 days? It's very simple. Just take 8.3 divided by 365 days. So every day you will earn that 0.0227 percentage. And after that, depending on your capital, if your capital is, let's say, 200 over 1,000 or maybe even like 500,000, 0.02 per day is a lot. And after that, depending on how long you want to lock up. So let's say for the next 3 months you're not going to touch your crypto, your Bitcoin or something like that. You can just put in 90 days, and 90 days is going to give you 11.5%, which is a lot. So the earn plus is basically locking up your funds. So within this time period, your funds is in a lockup contract, and you will not be able to withdraw it earlier. Or after that, they do not have any, like, they do not offer any like penalty. Like if you want to withdraw your funds and after that you go to the support and you tell them your reasoning and stuff like that, sorry, you can't do that because it is a fixed lock term. Therefore you are not able to touch your funds, and after that you can't withdraw it and there's no penalty or whatsoever. But the minimum lockup is 0.0001 Bitcoin, and after that you can enable the option auto renewal. So what does this auto renewal do is basically after the 3-month end, after this contract ends 90 days, it is going to automatically execute another 90 days. So let's say if you do not want that to happen, always disable the auto renewal, and after that it is going to, basically after the 90 days it's gonna stop. So I'm going to show you an example. So over here you can see I have 2 Ethereum contract that has already been done, and you can see it's at day 0. And for this contract itself, I put in 0.8, and basically it's a 29-day contract, and you can see how do you want to check on the capital and how much you have earned. So basically I put in 0.8, and at the end of the whole contract I received 0.806 Ethereum. So basically I earned 0.00680644 Ethereum for this 29 days lockup, and it is the rates is shown on top. So over here you can see is 10.66% annually. So for the 29 days contract I've earned this amount, which is, I would say, a lot, and I would say it's very decent. And after that, over here we can see 30 days contract of Ethereum. So my initial capital, it is, you can scroll down the way, so the initial capital is 8.2 Ethereum, and from here all the way towards 30 days, every day is going to show you the earnings, so how much you have earned, and it is compounding interest. Therefore you can see the first day earning is compared with the second day, it is graduating, gradually increasing cost of compound interest. And you can see at the end of the whole term I receive additional 0.074467171 Ethereum, so which is, I would say, a lot as well. Over here you can do not want to look at the terms over here, you can look at the earning rates. It's over here, but it's very small. But if you want to check it out, you can just head over to the setting button, just click on it, and after that it's going to tell you application date, and after that maturity date, and after that lockup period, and the percentage for that particular contract. And after that, we are the main focus over here today is talking about HaruInvest. So over here you can see HaruInvest. So I have started off with these two contracts over here. This is the longest one, and after that you can see the performance for this contract. It is 24.2369% per annum. So if you want to look at this, so basically for these terms, this 1 month, so how does this HaruInvest work? Basically every 15 days at the start of the month, it's going to show, at the end of the month, it's going to show you the one results, and after that in the middle of the month, 15th of the month, it is going to show you another result, 15 to 16 depending, and after that it is going to show you another result. So over here you can see for the lockup period, it's shown over here from 2nd of November towards 16th of November, the return was 1%. For that one period, that means within these few days, it has already returned me 1%, and after that the net gain, depending on your capital as well. So this is a little portfolio. Basically it is $73.15, and after that you can see for this lockup period, for the 15 days, I have earned 70 cents, which is, I would say, it's a lot based on the capital that I have put in, which is $73 only. And after that, for the second return, it was not USDT. The contract itself, it is not performing as well as the first time, but I would say the amount is fairly same. And after that, basically I have earned 0.67 cents, and I would say the total that I've used is 1.9 of this contract. So we can look at the second one. Over here for the USD is the same, but the interest rate is different because of the lockup period. So you can see previously the lockup period was on 2nd of November, but this started on the 3rd of November. Therefore, you can see the percentage, it is not 1% on the first time, and for the second time, yeah, basically it is, the whole effect is gonna snowball. As you can see over here, $2,000, 2.4k. I have earned a total of $46 for 1 month. So basically, what do I even do over here? What do I do? Basically I did not do anything to earn this amount. It's basically just putting my funds into HaruInvest, and from there, yeah, basically they do the trades and stuff like that, and after the returns are updated on the 15th and the last of each month. So this over here is not a guaranteed result, but instead I would say it is a performance of their fund management, and after that from there you can depending on the trade they execute and stuff like that. And in maybe I would say right now I'm seeing positive returns, but who knows, the next 15 days I might see a negative return or something like that, but hopefully I do not see that. And if I see that, I would say okay, yeah, I know the risk over here. So for the HaruInvest, I would say it's the most riskier because they take your money and legit invest with it, do via trading, and after that from there you will earn the rewards. And for Bitcoin itself, you can see for the Bitcoin's returns, it is much more higher than it has increased from the last result. So basically over here on the 7th of November, I've started this contract, and after that it is a 0.5% yield, and after that we can see that the difference of the days is quite little, and that's why the return is fairly little. And after that over here you can see for this BTC growth, 0.28%, 0.28 BTC has generated me this amount in 30 days. And after that basically I did nothing, just putting my funds in, and after that we can look at the annually. So for the target it is 25%, and we can view on it is right now on 20%, which is, yeah, I would say 5% lesser. So we can see on the next update depending, and after that you can see the ending date. So over here it's going to tell me on 28th of February it is going to end, and yeah, basically everything that is generated in the profit and whatsoever, it is going to go back to my HaruEarn wallet, and after that from there I can decide to put it on HaruEarnPlus or HaruInvest depending on my choice. So over here you can see I've added new contracts over here. So you can see the 12,000. So over here I've added 18 on the 18th of November. I've added around 12,000, and it has within this time period, I would say is around 12 days. Yeah, so around 12 days, it has returned me 0.8%. And after that, I would say the net returns, the gains, it is $102, which is a lot because of the capital. Therefore, you can see for 12 days, around 12 days, I have earned around $102 just by doing nothing. And after that, we can see the second one over here, which is $1,000 over. So over here, you can see the net return, it is almost the same. Over here, this is 11 days because I've started the contract a little bit later. Therefore, you can see it is all started on the 19th of November and the result is shown on the 30th of November. And after the return is 0.8% and the net gain is 11 USD. And after that, over here, yeah, basically it's a smaller amount. So started on 22nd and yeah, 8 days I have yield 0.5513%, and you can see the amount of Bitcoin that I have got in return, which is yeah, very little, but of course the percentage counts. And after that, for the HaruEarnPlus over here, the principal is 1 Bitcoin, and after that, you can see the earning rates that they're giving out for 33 days is 11.03 annually. And after that, basically I put in 1 Bitcoin, and after that the total earn is over here as of today. So I still have until 11th of December, which is around, I would say, around 7 more days. And after that, this contract is going to end. And what I'm going to do with this 1 Bitcoin over here, very simple. I'm just going to convert all these over here towards the HaruInvest and hopefully use more. And after that, it's going to be a 3-month lockup period. So for HaruInvest, they offer 2 options. You can use USDT, and after that, you can use Bitcoin. And after that, over here, you can see there is the slight difference over here is the assets type. And after that, the return, the target return and stuff like that. So for USDT, I would say it has outperformed the target return that they have desired. And after that, for the Bitcoin, it is still underperforming. Not really underperforming, but it has not reached the target. Therefore, I would say it's underperforming. And for the Bitcoin asset type, the lockup period will be slightly longer, which is 3 months. And after that, for the USDT, which is only 1 month. So depending on what asset you own, and after that, depending on your situation, let's say for the next 3 months, you do not need the funds, and after that, you do not want to risk that much, and you are okay earning the fixed percentage somehow guaranteed by HaruInvest. You can use the HaruEarnPlus. Therefore, I would say HaruEarnPlus, it is somehow like a guarantee that you will get this amount. Because once you start a contract and within that period, let's say you lock up for around 90 days, and within these 90 days there is a change of interest, you are not going to get affected because you have locked in the interest rate that has been shown when you started the contract. Therefore, they are not going to, let's say if the HaruEarn let's say the HaruEarnPlus, and after that for the HaruEarn, their interest decrease, or let's say it decrease, you are not affected. And after that, if it increase, you are also not affected. Therefore, you will only use whatever is shown after you have locked this contract in. And after that, I would say this is somehow like a much more safer option. And after that, the most safest option out here, I would say it is the HaruEarn, because you can withdraw anytime you want. Therefore, it's the safest. And after that, yeah, of course, the safest is you will earn lesser. Therefore, so for HaruEarnPlus, I would say it's a medium, depending on how long you lock up. So if you're gonna lock up for a year, I would say. So let's just talk about Bitcoin. So let's say if you're gonna lock up 365 days, it is gonna give you 15%. But compared with the HaruInvest, the target for Bitcoin, it is 25%. Therefore, you can see the big difference. And after that, right now it is performing at around, show it to you. So for Bitcoin, so I'm gonna use this over here, and after that we can just click on this. So basically it's 20%. Therefore, you can see it is still underperforming, but it is very hard. It is compared with the HaruEarnPlus, HaruInvest, it is basically performing better and giving higher interest rate than HaruEarnPlus and HaruEarn. Therefore, this is somehow it is not guaranteed. Therefore, it is somehow more riskier, and after that there are like, let's say, months or day, it is going to be a negative return, but you will never know. That's why I would say HaruInvest, it is much more risky. And after that, of course, if your risk appetite is high, you will basically yield more. And after that, let's say if you can't take those risks, like you can't see your money going negative or losing a little bit, I would say HaruEarnPlus is the best option for you, if not HaruEarn, the flexible plan. And after that, yeah, basically this is just my own opinion, no financial advice given. If you are interested, you can sign up with my referral link down below. And after that, if you sign up with my referral link, you will get additional 0.2% for your interest rate that is going to be yield to you. So basically, let's say over here is annually showing this amount. So if you use my referral link, you will get 11.47 instead of 11.27. So this is the difference with referral link or direct sign up. So if you are going to do a direct sign up, you will not get this additional 0.2%. And after that, if you use the referral link, you will get additional 0.2%. So this 0.2% it seems very little, but let's say if you're going to put in like hundreds over thousand worth of assets, and let's say 100,000, you can do it by this. So this 0.2 is going to cost you $200. It's a $200 difference. Therefore, I would say depending on your risk appetite, and after that yeah, this 0.2 is basically free of charge. You can just sign up using my link and it is free. Why not, I would say. And basically I come to the end of this video. So for the HaruEarn, yeah, basically HaruInvest, it is showing, yeah, basically the performance here is amazing, I would say. It has for the USDT, it has outperformed what is expected, and for the Bitcoin, it has not hit the target, but I would say the result is still very decent compared to many stuff out there. And after that, basically how they earn money is they are a fund management. Therefore, they take a crypto and they invest it all around, and from there generate income, and they take a little fee. For the HaruInvest, they do take a fee, and after that, from there, so what's the fee? It's very simple. We can just try to see the fee. So for Bitcoin over here, you can see the fees over here. So they are going to give you a 0% fee percentage, 0% if your return is below 15 APR, and after that, of course, after 3 months. So after this, because the Bitcoin asset over here will take at least 3 months. Therefore, if after 3 months the return is less than 15%, they are not going to charge a single fee. And after, let's say if the returns is more than 15%, they are just going to charge you 15% fee on the return. Basically it's very simple and straightforward. But for 15%, I would say the fee that they charge is very little compared with those fund management out there. Normally a fund management will charge from 30 to 40%, depending on the terms and conditions and stuff like that. But on average, it is always 30 for a fund management. But for HaruInvest, they are just charging 15. They are earning lesser, I would say. But this 15%, it is also a lot, because if people are going to put in like 100 over Bitcoin with them, and basically they flip that 100 over Bitcoin towards, let's say, 150 Bitcoin, and from that they profit of 50 Bitcoin, and 15% is going to them. Therefore, I would say it's a sustainable business, I would say. Why not? Is basically what they do is using their skills to trade, to flip around, and after that, from there, generate income. And after that, for me, I'm just a retail investor and I do not know much about like trading. Therefore, I would say I would just give them my money. I trust them to generate income of my assets, and after that, overall everybody is happy. So that's the end of this video. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video, and see you on the next one. Peace.